Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make hard reset of Samsung Galaxy A36. If you're using Samsung Galaxy A36 and now you want to make a hard reset of your device, so let's see how you can do this. First of all, you just have to connect your device to a PC or any other Samsung device via wire, and after that you have to make a process on your lock screen or home screen. So let's see how. First of all, you just have to press and hold volume down and the power button at the same time until your screen goes black, and then shift your volume down to volume up. So let's see how. First, press and hold the volume down and power button until your screen goes fully black. Just wait for it. It will take a while, so you just have to wait for it. And now shift your volume down button to volume up to open your phone BIOS. And here you can see now you have to release all of the buttons and wait for BIOS. And here's the BIOS section has been enabled. Now you are unable to do your touch. You have to manage or do the setup with your these button. There's a volume down to go down and volume up to go up, and for select you just have to use your power button. So let's see how. Now you just have to look for an option which is wipe factory data. Here's that wipe data or factory reset. You just have to select this one. So just press volume down to go down, and here's the wipe data or factory reset. You just have to select the power button to select the option. Just press, and here select factory data reset, and then press the power button, and after that you just have to select reboot system now. Just press the power button and it will make a hard reset to your device. So that's how you can easily make a hard reset to your Samsung Galaxy A36. But for this you have to make sure that you have backup of your data, because it will remove everything from your phone, either it's videos or photos or apps, your Google accounts or everything will be deleted. So first of all you have to save anything, and after that you can easily make the hard reset of your phone. After making the hard reset you have to get a fresh new startup. So that's how you can easily make a hard reset of your Samsung Galaxy A36. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.